Today's weather has been dominated by small-scale cloud cover across the country, with generally partly cloudy skies for many. The Irish Sea coastline's probably getting the best weather. High temperatures today were in London at 22 degrees, and lots of other locations in the southern part of England getting to 21. Quite a few locations though getting into the 20s today, with low temperatures early this morning at Sennybridge, 7 degrees, as was the case in quite a few other locations in Scotland, and 9 degrees in a few more Scottish locations, of course Sennybridge being in Wales. Well then, right now there's no weather advisories in effect, which is excellent news once again. It's been like that for a little while, and nothing expected anytime soon. After last week's heat wave, we're commemorating the 40-degree temperature that was reached on the 19th of July in our Force 13 store. You can visit that link and find it there. Well then, looking at the weather picture over the next few days, let's take a look at what happens. So skies clearing and then that next bank of cloud moving in, but in those clear skies temperatures will fall quite a way. So if you've not had a chilly night yet, it's going to be a first for a while. 7 degrees in a few locations there. It's not going to be very windy, it's going to be quite a still night, and then that cloud moves in, bringing up in a little bit more warmer temperatures. During Wednesday, this is what we're looking at for our high temperatures and the actual weather in northern parts of Scotland. It will be a little bit of a drizzly affair there. Further south, it will be looking better in most of the urban conurbations. We're looking at decent conditions, partly cloudy skies, and a high of around 20. In Northern Ireland, it is going to be patchy cloud and rain. In fact, overcast skies and patchy rain, I should have said. 17 in Belfast, and the same picture as well over the rest of Ireland, really, with better conditions coming in from the west later on. In England, it's going to be mostly cloudy, a little bit better further east. In Wales, it's going to be overcast, and in the southwest, you might get a little bit of sunshine later. Further east, that cloud will come in a little bit later during the day, and temperatures could climb to 23 degrees in the sun before the cloud starts to come over. Just a little bit of light rain possible over parts of southern England, but the general picture really is that scattered showers could pop up almost anywhere in England and Wales during the course of tomorrow. Winds will remain light and calm, just a little bit breezier in the southeast. So let's take a look at how this cloud moves over, shifting towards the northeast. The rain gets a little bit more pronounced during the night in the northern part of England, but low temperatures there falling to around 10 degrees generally, with Ireland quite clear. Thursday, Ireland will remain clear and have the best day out of anywhere. Western Scotland also getting a decent deal out of Thursday, with cloud remaining further towards the east. And once again, it will have scattered showers and maybe some more prolonged drizzly areas in parts of central and southern Scotland in particular, and temperatures will be fairly decent. So it's going to be one of those summer days that are quite rainy and possibly quite close and humid. Northern parts of England also getting a similar thing there, 20 degrees the high. Ireland's looking lovely on Thursday, but still might get some scattered showers in Northern Ireland in the east, 20 degrees the high there, 22 in the Republic, and in the southwest of England also the same in the western part of Wales. In England, it's going to be partly cloudy generally, with rain possible in some of those clouds for a time. 23 degrees, the general high across the country. So once again, if the sun comes out, you're going to be in for, you'll definitely feel the heat of the sun there. In the eastern part of England, it will be a little bit breezy, but generally it's another calm day. Ireland is going to be really lovely there, with very little wind and good temperatures under mostly clear skies. Thursday night, that cloud slowly begins to clear, although rain is still possible overnight in parts of Cumbria and towards Northumberland. And looking at those low temperatures, most areas will start to clear up, 10 degrees. And looking into Friday, it's also a very good day, as you can look at that there. Mostly clear skies, a front of cloud coming in from the west will start to affect the Irish coastline on the western side and the Western Isles of Scotland, but most of the country and the British Isles as a whole getting up to decent temperatures, 26 and 27 in the southern parts of England, 23 in a good chunk of Scotland, under mostly clear skies. We'll be back with another UK and Ireland weather forecast on Thursday.